What's up, America? Tony from the Real American Outdoors here. In today's video, we have an unboxing of the Tacticon Armament. We had the Predator V3 Micro Red Dot, and we had the Predator V1 Red and Green Dot sight. All right, here we're going to start unboxing. This is the Predator V3 Micro Red Dot. So obviously straight out of the box, we have the warranty information, nice lens cleater, and the cool little instruction sheet that shows what everything is. Lovely Allen wrenches. It looks like we have nice spare 2032 battery. This is the 45-degree mount, which is nice. A lot of features or other companies don't come with that, so that's a nice feature. We also have our nice riser mount as well. And then now we get to the optic itself. So we have these cool little lens covers here. This piece off, I don't think the battery comes. Oh, it does come with the battery already in, so that's nice. You even get a spare battery. The battery has all the different settings on there in terms of brightness. So the higher the number, the bigger the brightness is. So that's cool. And then obviously we have our different adjustments on the side. So very nice, cool little micro red dot. This kind of retails anywhere from Amazon for about 60 or on their website to about 70, 80 bucks, depending on sales and things like that and shipping. So this would be a cool micro red dot. I'm going to plan on putting this on, kind of like an AR pistol type deal. So this is the micro red dot. Let's look at the more full-size one. All right, here is the Predator V1 red green dot sight. So this is kind of more of your competition to your Vortex type optics that are very common and popular. So obviously this comes with a Allen wrench, another lens cleaner, spare battery, a little instruction manual. So let's open this guy up. So here is our Tacticon V1 red green dot. It's got these lens covers on both sides, so that's cool. Comes with those. Some of the more cheaper ones do not. Let's see if this, I believe this also comes with a battery already in there. Yes, 2032 3 volts. So obviously you want to make sure you stock up on your 3 volts. Is your 2032 3 volts, it's a very common battery size. So let's look at the brightness here. All right, so we turned on. That is our green dot, as you can see, as we move toward the green dot settings, and now we have switched over to red. So that's cool if you want. I prefer green, but if you prefer red, this is an option there for you. So nice little cool option. So let's compare the Predator V1 and then the Predator V3. All right, so here we have the comparison between the micro and the full-size red dot. Obviously, there is a very big size difference. The big one, you definitely want more in like a full-size 16-inch, 14.5-inch, AR type deal, where this one you definitely want on something smaller, even though it does come with the risers and whatnot. Obviously, there is no built-in lens cap on the micro compared to the V1. We will compare kind of the your red dot. So this is setting 5 on the V1, and then this is setting 11 on the V3. So obviously, depending on what you want to use it for. In terms of brightness, if you like green, this is a good option for you because this has both options on there. I prefer the green on the green dot because you can definitely see it better during the day, in my opinion. But either one of these for the price, these are going to run you about, 60 to 80 bucks a piece, depending where you buy them from. Obviously, Tacticon, American company, veteran owned, so you can kind of get a lot of sales and good deals off their website or off Amazon. They have a great warranty program as well, and they also get a decent amount of stuff, especially with the micro straight out of the box with the riser mounts and the 45-degree offset. Not a lot of that is standard depending on who you buy it from. So these are both options, you know, very affordable options that I can't wait to try out. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Real American Outdoors for the American Fishing Challenge. And check us out there on Tourney X, as well as Spreadshirt for our apparel store. Thank you. We'll catch you next time.